Alright guys, so a bit of an unboxing video. There's a hint of what it is. So let's crack this thing open. Let's see here. Oh, dog coming in the dog door there. Alrighty. Ooh, it's a box. Oh, there we go. Paperwork. That's always awesome. I've already done this once, you know, with that guy. So, I kind of know how to install it already. Oh, foam. Temperature sensor. Not going to need that because I already have one on the other one. Alright. One classic 150. Let me get it out of the plastic. Nice. Don't see any damage or anything. Looks good. So let me tell you what's going to happen, guys. That's enough of that. Alright, we back you up. Alright, so what's going to happen is Mr. FlexMax 60 right here is going to be replaced. Nothing wrong with it. Just I think that array is just maybe, well, it's not like it's too much for it, but it's just a 60 amp charge controller. And I may, keyword, may have found a way to add 3 more panels onto that. And if I do that, this guy will not be able to take the power. So what I think I want to do is just go ahead and pull him down. Put this guy right there, up there, and we'll see what happens. Now I talked to Midnight Solar. This guy here, this E panel right here, this gray box, is a 250 STL by Midnight Solar. One of the tech support guys said the bracket for the FlexMax 60 or the FlexMax charge controller is the same as the one for the Midnight Solar, so it should work just fine. So we're going to go ahead and give that a shot. It's pretty straightforward to do this. It's just, you know, the 2 negatives, the positive wires, and the oh, what else was there? There was one more wire. Oh, the temperature sensor. No, wait, temperature sensor is not going to be needed because we're going to use the temperature sensor off of this guy, and this guy is going to be the primary, and this is going to be the secondary. So it's going to be follow me mode. The other thing I have to do is get an RJ11 cable to go from here to here when I put the new plastic up. So that's pretty much about it. Shouldn't be too bad. But that's it, guys. So I got the new guy, and I got that from, I think, EcoDirect. Yeah, EcoDirect's where I got it from. So, but when I take this guy off the wall, I'll go ahead and do a vid on it. But you know, it's, you know, it should work. Hopefully, it works just as good as this one here. Haven't had a single problem. So, I guess that's it for now. I'll you know, take a vid of it when I pull this guy off and show you what goes on. Have a good one.